Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all KG family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful, very stunning, very embellished designs of Cocoon sweater designs. We have to share with newly attractive things of Cocoon sweaters. It's Cocoon sweaters and just looking so some things designs and we are sure newly attractive things, newly attractive ideas, give more fabulous videos, and just looking say some things for newly things of Cocoon sweaters. Cocoon sweaters are used in different designs and easily carry these Western women's of crochet related videos. Crochet related videos we have to share newly things, newly attractive designs. Give more fabulous videos of Cocoon sweaters. Cocoon sweaters, it's amazing and it's demanding videos of my channel. You will be very gorgeous videos of different varieties, different collections of crochet. Crochet are hand knitted works for every girls. Are using different ideas for more fabulous videos. Just say some things and different patterns and how to. Next video we are uploaded for different things, different newly designs and more creative ideas, more fabulous videos and just looking say more gorgeous design and different colors are used in different varieties, different collections and of different things of crochet and different many patterns are demanding on your choice and will be back more attractive designs. You love this designs and give more fabulous videos of Cocoon sweaters. Cocoon sweaters are used in different things and 2 colors combinations, 3 colors combinations and 2 colors combination are graceful designs and 3 and 4 colors combination. It's amazing and good looking designs. I hope so. Its designs are totally videos we have to share with you.